Students of class 3, myself Nikita Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am here to teach you mathematics chapter number 2, fun with numbers part 5. So in the last part we learned about place value, that was 100, tens and ones place. So according to that we will solve this sums. How many are these? Now as you know that these are 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note we have, and 4 10 rupees note we have. So if you put this in the column of 100, tens and ones, so how you will write? Two notes of 200, sorry, 100, so 2 here, 4 notes of 10, so on tens place and ones place we don't have anything, so 0 we will write. So total this is 240 rupees. Next is sticks are given, so 100 in one bunch, 100. So this is, and 10 separate bunches there and separate sticks are there. So again if we put this in the column of this, so 1 2 3, 3 are of 100, then one bunch of 10, so tens place we will have 1, if you count extra are 9, so 319 sticks we have. Again here see easily 100 is given, so 200, so 2 you will write first, then one block of 10 and 2 separate, so 212 blocks are there. Then next is, you can see this beads, so in one string the total beads if you will count, so total there are 100 beads, so in 100 place we will write 1, then separate 10 3 are there, and if you will count this you will get 8 beads, so 138 beads we have in all. Next again total 3 notes of 100, 2 10 rupees note and extra on ones place we don't have anything, so 320 rupees we have. Next page, I am Chanda Mama. I have so many friends which twinkle in the sky. So you all know who is Chanda Mama? Moon. Yes, you are right. My friends are stars. One day all of them came to my home. I started counting to see how many friends had come, but my friends were too many. So to remember their numbers, I did something like this. Now Chanda Mama, once he invited his friends, and who were his friends? The stars, the twinkling stars. So now he invited them at his home, but now how to count? They started to come, but how he will count, because there are so many stars in the sky. So now how he is going to count, that we have to see. So now see, he says hello to everyone. You can see all the stars here, and Chanda Mama is on the door. Moon Mama counts his starry friends. Starry friends, and starry means stars. Next is given, I counted one star and kept one card in my pocket. Now his card was like this. So if one star is there, so this one, written one on that card, he will put in his pocket. So see, 1 for 1 star. So first 1 and 2 for 2 stars. If 2 are there, then if 5 are there, so 5 for 5 stars. When I had 10 cards, when total like this he collects 10 cards, so what he will do, he will make it like this, the card of 10. See, as you can see here, they have written. Then but my friends kept coming. Now his friends are too many, so they kept coming, so I had to count more stars. Now my pocket was getting full, so when I had 10 cards like this, means one card of 10, then again 10, then again 10, so like this, when he collected total 10 cards of 10 card like this, so he made it 100 like this. So this becomes easy for him. But I have so many friends that my pockets kept getting full. Just see how many cards I had. So on the next page, All right, everybody in a line, we will play a game. Yippee! Now, what he is doing? Which cards will I have in my pocket if I have counted up to? Now here 19 is given. So how 19 we will write? Now first you have to recognize tens and ones place. If I see tens and ones place, so according to tens and ones place, number 19 is written as 1 will come on tens place and 9 will be on the ones place. So this 1 means card of 10 and this 9 means card total 9 cards of 1 1. So see, they have already given, so same way we have to solve this exercise. Now 21 means 2 is on the tens place, so you will make card of 10, 2 card of 10 like this, and then ones place we have only 1, so 1 card like this. In 95 again you will make 9 cards of 10 10 and 5 cards of 1 1. Then 201 you will make 100 2 cards of 100, and on tens place there is nothing, so directly we will make a card of 1, so 201. 260 200 means 100 card, 200 card, and 6 10 10 cards you have to make. In ones place we don't have to do anything because there is no number. 300 again very easy, make 3 cards of 100 306 make 3 cards of 100 and 6 cards of 1 1 because tens we don't have anything. Then 344 make 3 cards of 100 4 cards of 10 10 and 4 cards of 1 1. 350 make 3 cards of 100 5 cards of 10 10. 400 make 100 4 cards of 100. So this was very easy, so please do at home. Next is, when I had 10 cards in my pocket, I knew I had counted 20 stars. When you collect 2 cards of 10 means you have total 20 cards. Okay, so they have done one for us. Now next these all we have to do. So how you will do? See, we have 2 cards. So on tens place my number will be 2. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 cards of 1 1. So my number is 26. So write this here. Now next is, see, 100 3 cards are there. So on 100 place I will write 3, and tens place I will write 1 because only 1 card of 10, and ones place we don't have anything, so number will be 310. Next is 100, 1 card of 100, 3 card of 10, and there is no card in ones place, so 130 is our number. Next is, I have kept this for you. Solve. This is very easy. So total 4 cards of 100. So that is 400 because there is no value on tens and ones place. Next is this one. So total 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 cards of 100. Now tens there is no card, so we will write 0. And 1 2 3. 3 card of 1. So 600. 3 is our number. Next is 1 2 3. So 3 cards of 100, 1 card of 10, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 cards of 1. So our number is 316. Next is, now this you have to solve. So how many cards of 100 are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So total 10 cards of 100. So now this becomes number 1000. So see, I have written here 1000. So like this we have to solve this activity. Now if you count the stars, there are total 10. So we will write 10 here. Again if you will count this one 10, so we will write 10 here. Then so these are total 20, and now these if you will count, it will be total 18. So I have written 18 here. So now 10 10 and 18. So 10 10 and 18. So total will be 38. So what they have asked, guess how many starry friends I have in all. So these are 38 in numbers. So here I completed my whole chapter. Please practice it at home and hope you all understood what we learned today. Thank you, students.